Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey guys. This one will be generation 2009 to 2019. What we'll be doing today guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the inner tail light. Okay, if your tail lights are on and your inner tail light bulbs do not work, okay, I'm talking about the ones right here, because we have outer tail light, inner tail light, and here we have inner tail light, outer tail light. We'll show you guys how to remove and replace it. In the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Journey, so please subscribe to the channel. Quite a few videos will be made guys. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we need to do now, okay, we need to go ahead, open the trunk, okay, and we're going to show you how to go ahead and remove the tail light. Okay, so this is the inner tail light guys. Right here, okay, we have two screws that we need to remove. Okay, this one is a 7mm socket. Go ahead, remove one, two. Great. Now we need to get a small plastic prying removal tool. We need to hold your headlight, okay, and gently pull out. You have to be very careful how you pull it out, not to break the lens. Okay, now we need to go ahead and disconnect the wires. Okay, so right here you press in, pull out, then we have one more that we need to remove. Okay, just like that. So if you have guys the one with the facelift, okay, you can see where the tail lights look like that. They're around on the inside. Okay, let me show you, see how it forms a circle. These ones are actually LEDs. So if it doesn't work, always check the wiring harness, because there is no way to replace the LEDs. You can take it apart and you can solder new LEDs together and all that stuff, but pretty much if it doesn't work, okay, and it's messed up, you have to replace the whole inner tail light assembly. So unfortunately that's how you do it. On the regular model guys, the one without the LEDs, all you have to do here, you're going to have a light bulb, kind of like this one here, and you just pull it out by turning counterclockwise and then close it like that. So all we have to do, install it now guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.